In this module, I will share with you the self-enhancement mantras in which you will discover the secret self-enhancement techniques that will propel you to greater heights. There's a popular saying, "I ought to change but have attempted and failed." Does this seem familiar? There's no doubt about it. Change is hard, but it is essential for your personal growth and development as a human being. In fact, it is a necessity of life. Frequently altering habits does seem insurmountable. A lot of us merely don't have enough motivation to alter our habits, all of our foul habits, in a way that would really affect our life. We hold them tight as we view them as rewards. But your habits determine your life. To break a bad habit, it's helpful to reward yourself for engaging in positive behavior. Go forward, taking little steps, one at a time, till you sooner or later reach your goals. To replace the bad habits with great habits is the way to go. If an old habit is broken and not replaced, you'll create a void, and other destructive habits will take its place. Think about it. Have you ever wondered why a person can stop smoking but end up gaining a crazy amount of weight? Reason being because he or she managed to break the old habit but didn't find a healthy one to replace it. Now, let me share with you some of the great habits that will benefit your personal development and replace your bad habits. Number 1. Construct a fresh habit by tacking a job onto one of the habits you already have. For example, water the flowers after you had lunch. Send off thank you notes after you check your inbox. This will create an anchor so that the next time you conduct your daily routine, a habit will follow. The more often you practice it, the stronger the anchor will become. Number 2. Work out daily. This will supercharge your metabolism, concentration, and mental clarity in half an hour a day, so you will begin your day with a huge surge of energy to take on whatever challenge there is with ease. Number 3. By choice, make the job harder, as challenging jobs are more engaging and motivating than ho-hum ones. Do physical chores like filing or cleaning with your non-dominant hand. Draw up poetic emails to answer other emails. This will train your endurance and perseverance to handle anything life has in store for you, making you a strong person who is able to adapt to any circumstances and invulnerable to any difficult challenges. Number 4. Figure out how long a job will take to finish. Then start a timer and press yourself to complete it in half that time. This will make you a person who delivers on time so that you'll always get things done no matter what. Number 5. Success leaves clues. If others have done it, learn from them. Discover individuals who are already acquiring the results you want. Question them and adopt their mental attitude, notions, and behavior. Number 6. Finish an otherwise dull task in an uncommon or crazy manner to keep it fun and intriguing. Make routine calls utilizing fake foreign accents. Take notes in wax crayon. Number 7. Interpose one task into the middle of some other. Study while eating lunch. Return calls while traveling back and forth to work. Listen to audio programs while shopping. You will get massive leverage from this, and if you practice this enough, you will make up an incredible amount of free time that you didn't know was possible. Number 8. When somebody does you a good turn, refer a thank you card. That's a true card, not an e-card. This is uncommon and memorable, and the individuals you thank will be eager to bestow more opportunities. Again, practice gratitude. Number 9. Cast out the negative people from your life and affiliate with positive, happy individuals instead. Mentalities are catching. Be loyal to reality, affection, and might, not to pity. Number 10. Investing in yourself may be the most profitable investment you ever make, so invest more time in yourself. The effort you put into consistently investing in yourself plays a large role in determining the quality of your life now and in the future. Number 11. Explain your most ambitious issues to several others and ask for all the advice, feedback, and constructive critiques you are able to handle. This is another form of leverage you can make for yourself, as making your intention known to others gives you a stronger reason to succeed. Number 12. Put down 20 original ideas for bettering your effectiveness. Always think on paper. Ideas are like clouds. They are intangible forms that will be lost without you realizing it. How many times did you have difficulty remembering something important, or maybe some pretty amazing ideas that you somehow forgot about? Also, seeing is believing. Write down all your ideas so you have a clearer picture of what to go for in the future. Number 13. When an apparently senseless job is delegated to you, bounce it back to the individual who assigned it to you and challenge them to rationalize its functional necessity. This is a bold move, but why waste time and energy on something meaningless? We only live for a brief moment in this life, so don't waste it away. Do something you truly love, enjoy, and cherish. Number 14. Quit clubs, jobs, and subscriptions that consume more of your time than they deserve. Again, declutter for more personal time. Number 15. Hire a personal coach to remain motivated, centered, and accountable. Accountability is leverage, and having someone to stay accountable to will make you succeed faster. There you had it, 15 of my self-enhancement mantra hacks to get things done and significantly improve the quality of your life.